This is a downtrend market. As you can see here, market is creating the lower highs and the lower lows. So it's a downtrend market. Previously it was in the uptrend, but as I can see here that it has broken the higher low swing, which means that the price action has changed, the market structure is being broken, and we can say that the trend is currently downtrend. So first of all, as you can see, market is moving in strongly in the downward direction, and in the future it is going to retrace for some time. As this is a newly formed trend, we can wait for the retracement and then we can go for a trade, or we can wait for the market to go down, hit some strong support level which are present here, and then we can go for a trading opportunity in the upward direction. So right now, as you can see, I can say that this is a strong level of support. So first of all, let's draw these level, because they, as you can see, it's been tested so many times, and it looks like that this is a potential support level for the future, and market can give us a good trading opportunity. So this is the whole zone of support, and I'm expecting that market can reverse from here, but we have to wait for the market to get weaker. Right now it is moving strongly. There are some rejection that are coming, which is a good thing, and we also have a whole number level here. So what I will do, I'll just include that whole number. So this is the whole zone now, and it's a strong support level. We are going to use it if market gets weak, because if the market doesn't get weaker, then the chances of reversal from this zone will be less. And you can see market is getting rejections from the very level, which is a good thing. We got a strong support level. Market is also market has respected this level previously so strongly, and as this is a as the market is moving very steeply, I think that market is going to retrace in the future. And you can see this is some rejection that are coming from the very level. We also included the whole number level, which makes this support level even stronger. So overall this is a downtrend, but if we go in the past, it was an uptrend which started from here. Let's see from the FIBO perspective, and yes, the market is still in the upward direction, uptrend, and the reason is because the market doesn't broke the 61 level. As you can see here, this is the 61 level, which means that market is still in the uptrend when if we include the whole price action which started from here. So overall the trend is uptrend, and we can say that this is the retracement phase. So we can take a reversal trade from here, or we can wait for the market to go up, some retracement, and then we can get a reversal trade also. So if you want to take a trade from the support level, the overall trend here is uptrend, and this is the retracement phase. But if you are focusing on this chart only, then this is a downtrend, and we can wait for the market to go up and hit some resistance level which are present somewhere around here, and then we can go for a trade, because market doesn't move straight, it moves with price action. And you can see we kind of see the same thing. Market is rejecting from the very level, but I'm not sure about this setup right now, because this is a resistance. This is a newly formed resistance. It's a recent resistance, and I cannot trust this price action currently. We have to wait for some other confirmations also. So right now, as you can see, we have discussed everything. There are only two ways we can trade over this chart. Either we can use this support level to go for a trade in the upward direction, or we can wait for the market to go up, because a downtrend on a smaller scale started from here. And if we include like this, You can see that this is the 23.6 level and this is the 61.8 level. So we can hope that market can reverse from these FIVO level from the upward direction in the downward direction. So we got two opportunities. Either we can place a call trade from this support zone, or we can wait for the market to retest in the upward direction and then we can go for a short trade from the upper levels. Right now the price action is not in our favor and that's why I'm not taking the trade. So we will wait for some time. I'm going to fast forward this video, and as soon as I got this setup, I will start explaining you the setup and we'll take the trade right after that. So let's wait. So we get a breakout and we have placed a trade. Market was consolidated previously, as you can see here, and some retracement was also required, and that's why I took this trade. Now let's wait for the result, and after the result I will explain you each setup that I have taken into consideration before placing this trade. So let's wait. So we have won this trade easily. Now let's understand this setup first. So first of all, I'll just remove everything. And okay, so when we started this session, market was somewhere around here. It was moving strongly in the downward direction. As we were trading on this smaller time frame, for me this trend was important and it was downtrend. So my main focus was to trade in the direction of the trend, which is to trade in the downward direction. But when I zoomed out, I found out that the trend previously on the major scale, as you will see, was uptrend, and for me, as the overall trend on the bigger time frame is uptrend, so what I did, I just put a FIVO level here and find out that market didn't broke the 61.8 level. It was somewhere around 50 level. So I thought that market maybe in this case was in the retracement phase, and we can expect a reversal in the upward direction, which is the major trend direction. So I waited for the market to go down. I was in the favor of market falling down furthermore, and that's why I waited. And we also draw some important horizontal level from here as well. These were the previous support level, as you can see here, but it didn't work out here. So we shifted our level to here, and it was also 61.8 level, FIVO level. So I was strongly in the favor of market reversing from this level, because market was moving strongly in the downward direction and market needs some retracement, because we all know that in the market, when price action happens, it doesn't move straight in one direction. Like in this case, it was creating lower lows and lower highs, and that's why when market was creating lower low, which is this level, it needs to create a lower high to maintain a price action. And that's why, as this level was strong, this was also a FIVO level, a strong horizontal level which worked previously, and some retracement was also required, and that's why I was focusing on the reversal from this side. Another thing which I was working was that if market retraces back without giving us proper signals, then I will not take the trade, but I will wait for the market to go up, hit some certain resistance level from the upper levels, and then we can take the reversal trade, which will be in the direction of the minor trend in this case, which is downtrend. But market got consolidated here. This was the consolidation area. Let me draw it again. So this was the consolidation area. Market was consolidated, which means that market is in a situation in which buyers and sellers are deciding that which way they want to go. As market previously moves in the downward direction strongly, some retracement was required. On the major scale, this looks like the retracement, and so market needs to continue to go in the upward direction to continue its major trend, which is uptrend. So both of these things suggesting one thing, that market will be going upward. And after that, market got consolidated, and that's why I was focusing on the breakout only. And as soon as we got the breakout with a strong candle, I put a trade, and you can see that market is moving strongly, smoothly in the upward direction. And for those who think that I should be waiting for the retest, yes, I could have waited for the retest, but for me, this is my psychology, that if there is a consolidation in the market, you don't have to wait for the retest, just a breakout will work for you. This is according to my analysis. I'm not saying this is universal, but when you see consolidation in the market, you don't have to worry about the retest. Just wait for the breakout with a strong confirmation, and then you can go for a trade. So overall, what I did in this case is waited for the market to hit a support level. This was the support level. It was also a FIBO level. Market was moving strongly in the downward direction, so some retracement was required. So together from the support level as well as some retracement, which was necessary in this case, I waited for the market to give me a price action. Market tried to go up, but it got resisted from this level. So it created a zone which was in between the resistance and the support, and we got a breakout after some consolidation for around 20 minutes, and then we got a good strong candle, and I put the trade. So I used a strong confirmation candle, which was the breakout candle also. I waited for the market to get weak. You can see the consolidation, so which means that market was weak also. I traded in the direction of major trend. I waited for the market to retrace back because it was required in this case, and that's why I took this trade. So to sum it up, I placed my trade in the direction of the major trend. I waited for the market to break the consolidation phase. I waited for a strong confirmation. Market was weak, and it was necessary for a price action to go in the upward direction, because it is how the price action move, and you can see it is moving strongly after that, and it's almost hitting the upper level, which we can use as the resistance to place a reversal trade again if market gets weak here.